Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure series plus party-wise printing in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Setup module, expand Configuration, and open Set Series plus Party-wise Printing. Let's link the printing configuration for the GST series with the party named ABC Traders Private Limited. Before proceeding with the linking process, let's first review the current print preview of this party in the GST billing series. Select the account name as ABC Traders Private Limited and proceed with Item Transaction. After this, click on the print option and select Yes to view the print preview. This is the default bill printing format configured for the GST series. You can also verify this default printing format detail from the sale voucher configuration. Simply select the relevant billing series, and under the Other Settings option, you will find that the default printing configuration for the GST series is currently set to Format to Portrait. Now, let's return to the Set Series plus Party-wise Printing window and proceed with the linking process. Select the series in which you wish to apply the printing format and select the party for whom you want to apply the printing format. Then choose the printing format that you want to apply for the selected series and party. Let's select Format 1/2 page. This will print the document in a half-page layout. Then click on Overwrite option to replace any previously assigned printing format with the new one. After making the selections, click Save for Selections to save the printing format for the chosen series and party. Then click Refresh to update the details, and the updated information will be reflected in the grid. Finally, save the data. Let's observe its functionality. Go to the Billing module and under the GST Billing series, choose the party name as ABC Traders Private Limited and proceed with the Item Transaction. After completing the transaction, let's have a look at the printing preview. As you can see here, for the selected GST series and party ABC Traders Private Limited, the printing has been successfully set to the Format 1/2 page layout. This setting indicates that under the GST series, the default half-page printing format has been set only for ABC Traders Private Limited. For all other parties within the same series, the printing format will remain the default format that defined in the sale voucher configuration.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.